Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the UpNote error code 12500. This error occurs when users try to log in to the UpNote app using their Google account. Many users reported seeing this issue on Android devices, especially after installing the app on Amazon Fire Max 11 with the Google Play Store. As per the users, the app installs without any problem, but when attempting to log in, it shows the error and doesn't proceed. According to our research, this error is likely related to login compatibility or app issues on certain Android setups. We suggest you first restart your device and try logging in again. If the error still comes, check if the UpNote app needs an update. If there is one available, install it and try again. If the app is up to date but still shows the error, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Once reinstalled, open the app and check if you can log in now. At last, if you still have the error after trying all the steps, then we suggest reaching out to UpNote support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.